Upgrading your car's infotainment system doesn't have to mean replacing the factory screen or compromising on functionality. The Sinairyu Car AI Box, available on AliExpress, is a versatile solution designed to breathe new life into older Acura and Honda models. Compatible with vehicles like the Acura MDX, 2007 to 2013, RDX, 2013 to 2018, TLX, ILX, RLX, and Honda Odyssey, this device seamlessly integrates with your original screen, adding modern features while preserving the OEM aesthetic. Whether you're an Apple or Android user, it brings the convenience of wireless and wired CarPlay and Android Auto to your dashboard, eliminating the need for clunky cables or expensive upgrades. One of the standout features is its plug-and-play installation. Unlike aftermarket systems that require cutting wires or voiding warranties, the Sinairyu AI Box connects without damaging existing cables. This means you retain steering wheel controls, factory cameras, and parking sensors while gaining advanced functionalities. The inclusion of 5 GHz Wi-Fi ensures a stable, high-speed connection for real-time navigation, streaming Spotify, or accessing podcasts. Paired with Bluetooth 5.0, the device offers extended range and compatibility, letting you manage calls or audio effortlessly through Siri voice commands or steering wheel buttons. Multimedia enthusiasts will appreciate the ability to mirror their smartphone screens via AirPlay or Android mirror linking, transforming the factory display into a hub for HD video streaming. For offline entertainment, simply load videos or audio onto a USB drive and play them directly through the system. The built-in DSP sound processor adds another layer of customization, allowing you to tweak equalizer settings to match your audio preferences, whether you crave bass-heavy tracks or crisp vocals. Safety and convenience are central to the design. Hands-free calling and Siri integration keep your focus on the road, while support for aftermarket cameras enhances visibility during parking. The system even accommodates factory iDrive knob controls, ensuring a familiar interface. Whether you're navigating with online maps, enjoying a podcast, or watching a movie during a long wait, the Sinairyu AI Box turns your car's original screen into a multifunctional powerhouse. In a world where in-car tech evolves rapidly, this device bridges the gap between outdated factory systems and modern connectivity demands. It's an affordable, non-invasive upgrade that respects your vehicle's integrity while delivering the features today's drivers expect. For Acura and Honda owners seeking to enhance their driving experience without sacrificing originality, the Sinairyu Car AI Box is a smart investment in both convenience and enjoyment.